3077 AR, 3090 AK, grenades, and a flashbang. Fucking dick. Is it a gas or a smoke?
Smoke.
Uh-huh.
Car.
Vehicle. What just happened there? What went wrong, bro? What
We
went
had
wrong?
35 HP on the car. That's what went
Oh,
wrong.
It was laminated on this guy.
fucking bleeding out hard. That guy riddled me, dude.
Yeah, there's AK and laminated. On both guys, there's AK.
Alright. Bandaging,
I
cover
took
me.
the AR rounds, but...
Yeah, it's cool.
What went wrong? It was like pop, pop, boom!
Oops, I took the AR rounds on accident off this dude.
That's fine.
Or those were AK.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Should all be AK. There should be a laminated med kit, maybe.
Yep. Yep. Some bandies. I'm gonna grab another lammy just in case. Alright, let's get the fuck out of the road. I need a bandage still, though.
Alright, we got 30 seconds. We need to move.
Yeah, I got one more bandage to pop and I'm good. It's Boogie. What went wrong?
Yeah, why would you drive around a car like that, you know?
Yeah, I don't know.
Especially through a town. Like, that's just fucking madness.
Yeah.
If he would have drove by and we'd have been right at the...
With 30.
Yeah,
could've just
if I'd
blasted
have
the
shot him,
shotgun.
you'd have blown up.
Yeah, I'm
know?
surprised, really, that they both didn't get blown up by that.
Yeah, I thought you did. And then I saw the two corpses laying. Womb Raider.
I saw the two corpses laying out there.
What was his name?
You know? Womb Raider was that guy's
God
name.
damn it.
Boner Garage. Womb Raider.
Oh
You
shit,
know
there's an
they're in a team
ATV and a
together.
cop car. And another cop car.
Crossing. Let's get in this building.
Oh, air bullets.
Boner Garage. Fucking Womb Raider. God damn it.
Oh fuck, Jeep. You alright? There's guys all over. Careful, careful.
Alright, let's focus.
I'm hurt.
Another car. Let's get into a building. So much shit. Just hit the fan. Bandage up. I don't like this spot,
Trying to
but
hide. Fuck me either.
yeah.
Alright, we need to go out the front.
Pop in a med kit.
I see him. I see him. There's still more.
Holy shit, bro. Crossing. I'm gonna die. 4%. Managing. Oh my god, if I wouldn't have popped that
Same.
first aid kit, I'd be dead right now.
I think I might hear footsteps.
I hear a fire burning.
Yeah, it's right on the other side here. This guy's got 360 fucking AK rounds.
Severe bleeding. Alright.
He's got a fresh laminate on him too.
And one's
we need to get-
15,000.
We're moving south again.
I know, 1 sec. I'm still fucking bleeding hard, dude.
I'm fucking full. I can't carry anything.
Yeah, I just dropped a bunch of shit. Alright.
I'm gonna check these
Not
cars
bleeding
out,
anymore.
see if any of them's...
Yeah, I got plugs. Let's go hit a cop car.
Yeah, I got plugs and gas. This one should be alright.
You drive. Yeah.
Oh, it's got everything.
Alright, let's boogie.
Yeah, dude, I'd have died if I wouldn't have had that fucking med kit running. Because I was at 4% severe bleeding and my health wasn't moving when that guy went down. I'm all fucking. Yeah, I'm all
Do you
for
need more
shaking
time to
on that
band-aid,
one.
or?
I'm at 95. Still got the med kit going, so. Woo!
That was so intense. That whole thing was
13
just so
left, dude.
intense.
We can stand a good chance to win this if we can keep playing our fucking cards right. You know?
Is Jelson on here?
Look, we got a plane right above us.
Yeah, it says still have a viewer.
Cop
but it
car
doesn't
right in
say
the
who it
middle
is.
there.
Yeah, fuck 'em.
Oh, yep, people.
Fuck. Where?
In that campground.
They got a lot more cover than we do.
And ow, fuck. This thing's coming out of nowhere. Alright.
See.
Yeah, they're in the campers.
Yeah, hiding.
Yeah, I saw one run towards it.
Oh, I do got a fucking Molotov.
Okay, he's in, I think, the middle one of the three against the road.
Shitty throw, but oh well. Go.
See if anybody ran out. There's loot bags
Yeah. Yeah. That'd have been cool if somebody burned to death, though.
there. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So everybody's gotta be fucking around here somewhere.
Yeah. Yeah, Hemingway's out of the circle.
Yeah, I mean, just past up here, we're gonna be, out of the circle.
Yep. I think hang a left up here. Maybe. Tool around on that road for a minute.
Guys, in front of us. In
Got
front of us.
moving on our right, southeast.
Alright, here we go. We're gonna get out and get him now. There's still another
Across
one,
the
I
street.
think.
It's in a ghillie suit.
Grenade out.
My fucking AR is only holding 12 rounds. You get him?
Oh yeah, he's dead.
Alright, bandaging. Yeah, I don't see that other guy though.